up? What's up? What's up? You already know. This is Peach and Gorgeous. Hey, pretty girl. Hey. And today I'm gonna show y'all what we just got really super quick from Sam's Club since y'all like haul videos from us. This was only $80 and 60 not a lot for food. What we got, pretty girl?
No, but
what's that?
Water.
Good job.
And this is pizza.
Good job.
And this is chicken.
Yep. How many chickens did we get? Count them.
4.
What?
5, 6.
What? Start from number 1. What's this?
Number 1.
1.
1.
No, what's after 1?
1.
What's after 1?
Gorgeous, what's after 1?
The 1.
1, 2. You know how to count. We bought 3 chickens. 1, 2, 3, right?
Mommy, we got chips.
Yep, we got chips. We got some voodoo chips. We got some ribs. 2 slabs of ribs. Daddy's gonna barbecue tomorrow. I'm gonna season those tonight. But he might season it. Cheese it, because y'all like cheese it. And we got some mashed potatoes. This is because I don't feel like cooking. Daddy don't want to cook. So when we don't feel like cooking, this is what our go-to is. Now, if you checked out my Sam's Club shop with me buying this stuff, you know I told y'all we got these trays. And we don't feel like cooking, that we still put this chicken in the oven for a little bit, right, Dad? You did it last time. Yes, you did. So we're not putting them in the oven.
So we got
Oh my God. All right, so they don't want me to put them in the oven. I was going to put the chickens in the oven, put barbecue sauce on one of them, and then I was going to make macaroni to go with it and microwave it. But they just acting like they don't want that. Gorgeous, put that back for me. Put the pan away. They don't want it. They just want chicken. So let me microwave these mashed potatoes and microwave some mixed veggies. We're going to go get them. Huh? What?
Can I see the mashed
Put them in the oven? No, you just said you didn't do that. Like you didn't do that, but you did. You put them in the oven, and I thought that's something you always do.
Mommy, hey, you open
Not everybody just hungry and acting like I'm crazy.
Mommy, can I get chips?
Yeah, you can get chips.
Can I get
Boy, I ain't crazy. Watch your mouth.
I said you are great.
Can I get the
Oh, yeah, you better clean it up. You want some of the chips I bought for Daddy? Some of the voodoo chips? I guess I could give you some. Hold on, let me get you a bag. Peach patch. So I've never cooked these before. Babe, how many minutes you put these on? It said on the box. Okay. It say remove board overwrap. Stop, Gorgeous. Cut and slit into the film vent. Microwave on high for 4 minutes. Completely remove film. Stir for an additional 2.5 to 3.5 minutes. And then let it. I could have just made mashed potatoes with the packs I got. Stop. With the packs I got. But let's go ahead and do that. Let's cut a slit with this fork. I ain't gonna cut a slit. That's chicken. My kid is so hungry. But I was gonna put the chicken in the oven. I put some holes. Hold on. Let's cut a slit with the fork. Let's make it a slit.
A slit?
There we go. That's a slit.
We make slit.
So Daddy like these mashed potatoes. His mama told him about these, I think. Wasn't it your mama? His mama. Come on, you can do it.
Boy, I think it's too little.
5th time's the charm.
I'm too much.
What happened?
What?
Go slow.
He in the car.
Almost.
No, you.
I'm gonna cook some macaroni because my oldest want macaroni. Child, they just won't let me be great. I should have just fried some drumsticks. My pantry is looking a hot mess. I really do need the grocery shop. Look at my sauces. We out of Alfredo sauce. Down to our last couple of tomato sauces. Somebody done messed up my cereals and oatmeal. I believe that's somebody's choice. You want Velveeta or you want this one? What kind of macaroni you want me to cook you?
You already know the Velveeta.
I knew that. I knew he was gonna say Velveeta.
I think not that good.
So we're gonna cook 2 boxes of macaroni. Peach patch, I really feel like I should have just cooked a real meal. I wanted some fried chicken, some cabbage, and blueberry muffins, but my kids was acting like they were so hungry. So they could have let me be great and put the chicken in the oven. All right, so now we got to take the film all the way off. I'm about to cut up the onion because I'm about to make a gravy. I don't like mashed potatoes without gravy. I should have got some microwavable gravy. Let me get this a stir. Get this a stir. My kids eating chips. Somebody, they want to go watch TV. Lordy, Lordy, Lordy. Meanwhile, I'm so sandy. I let my kids bury me in the sand. Big mistake. I got sand down there where the sun don't shine. Lord Jesus, I gotta go take me a bath, but they so hungry. All right, Peach Patch. So recently, I made gravy off camera, homemade gravy for the very first time, and it came out pretty good. Oh, my onion like no good. That can tell you how long I ain't been cooking. But I made gravy, homemade gravy for the first time, and it came out really good. And I shocked myself. I said, oh snap. I ain't record, but I was like, oh snap. Oh snap. So we finna make us some now. We gonna hope it come out good. This onion ain't really no good. This little section is fine, but the rest of it is like, it's bad. All right, so how I'm gonna make my gravy? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put me 1 cup of oil or whatever kind of cup I got. Hold on, let me. So yes, Peach Patch, this is 1 cup. So we're gonna do 1 cup of oil. All right, Peach Patch, this is how the mashed potatoes came out. I'm gonna give you some chicken. Hold on, wait. This is the canola oil I got left. I think it's enough for 1 cup. Let's see. All right, so boom, Peach Patch, 1 cup of oil. Throw that in there. Somebody at home like, Peaches, that is too much. I was gonna use my other pan, but it got like them black marks in it, and I don't feel like hearing y'all mouth today. I'm gonna put my onions up in there. Ooh, pray for me. I'm getting nervous, child. Gravy is so hard to make. I think homemade gravy and grits, them things is hard to make. I feel like once you get those two down, then you could be a good Southern wife and woman. All right, so we're gonna let that do what it do. I'm gonna pour the macaroni over here. This is my kid's favorite Velveeta original. I should have put a tad bit of oil and salt in here, but I didn't. All right. Now I'm gonna put my flour in here. I'm gonna do 1 cup of flour. I'm nervous. I think I'm doing it wrong. Peach Patch, so pray for me. Everybody say a prayer real quick, amen. We're gonna pour that 1 cup of flour up in that joint, and now we gotta stir it with our whisk real fast. Just keep on. But really, a spoon will work. A spoon will work. Hold on, I gotta hurry up. I don't want it to taste burnt. Making us a roux. Ooh, it smells so good. Please don't burn. Come out good for me, baby. Come out good for me, baby. You could do it. Come out good for me, baby. Babe, don't it smell good? I smell like I got my kitchen smelling like I'm a good Southern woman, okay? An old school Southern woman. Oh yeah, like a man should just make me barefoot and pregnant. My great grandma smiling from heaven. She like, yes, baby, you got this. Stay calm, stay focused. Keep stirring. You see how it's boiling? We're gonna turn that down some because we don't want it to burn. That gravy burn. We're gonna be ass out of gas. So we're gonna turn it down. I put it on 5 now. Gotta keep stirring. Slow rolling. Yeah. Daddy came and checked on me like, what is she talking about? You smelled that food. It was smelling good. It smelling like a good time. Now he wanna stroke me with emotion. Yeah. You met a girl 2 years younger. Get what? And I put that thing on you. Yeah. I taught you how to take your time and do it right. How many of y'all know how to slow roll it? Who know that song? If you know that song, you gotta be from the South, or you gotta be one of your grandma kids, like your grandma watched you a lot. And for those of y'all who like, girl, what is you doing? Peach, what is you doing, baby? It's gonna get brown. You gotta be patient. You gotta be patient. How did Rich Homie song went, babe? And no, it take a little time. Yeah, this gravy gonna take a little time. That's why most people buy the packs of gravy. But child, after you learn how to make homemade gravy, you probably won't never buy packs of gravy again. Now, what I do want to know how to make, I gotta put this over here. So you stir up this macaroni for me, please, Daddy. Daddy, please stir up the macaroni. I feel like singing a little DMX. Baby, it's gonna be okay. Hey, girl, that was Faith Evans' part though. Amazing grace. Now I know I gotta put some water in here, some broth, but I'm gonna use water. I don't know when I'm supposed to do it though. I forgot. Hold on, y'all think I'm supposed to do it now? It's almost brown. I'm gonna wait till it get brown. I add some water. That's what I'm gonna do. And I'm supposed to season this too, okay, go babes. So Peach Patch, I'm mad. And my oldest son keep laughing at me. He really gonna walk downstairs. I burnt my gravy. Okay, I'm gonna blame Daddy because my phone died. And I said, babe, please run to go get my charger. Go get my charger. Please, I'm stirring. I knew it was like almost time to add water. And he finally came to stir. And when he came to stir, it burned. So I think he was player hating on me. And I really want to cry about it because I was doing a great job at stirring and making homemade gravy. Like I was talking cash shit. I just knew it was gonna be right. And my grandma, my great grandma, she was proud of me. She was smiling. I could feel her spirit. She was like, yes, baby, you got this. Now my gravy burnt and I had to pour it down the drain and I'm sad. I'm really sad. I feel like he was player hating on me. And to make it so bad, then this dude gonna come and throw talking about, I don't know what you mad at me for. They gonna throw 2 brown gravy packs. Baby, all that hard work I just did. All that stirring it with love, stirring it with care, slow rolling. But these kids in my face, McIntyre, like, I'm hungry, girl. Like, feed me. All right, Peach Patch. Everybody has eaten but me and my oldest son. He up there playing his game. But after we did all that, somebody he want macaroni. I put barbecue sauce and honey on this chicken. What you was up there doing? Oh, you was up there watching TV. My bad. Your food over there. But this one is just like for me. If they want some, they can have some. But so far, ain't nobody asked for seconds because they all done ate junk food while I was cooking all this mess. I should have just cooked from the get-go like I wanted to. So let's cut this and put it on my plate. All right, Peach Patch. So this is the aftermath. I got some barbecue honey chicken. I put barbecue sauce and real honey on here. Some mixed veggies, mashed potatoes, and macaroni. The only thing I really cooked on this plate was the macaroni. I microwaved my veggies, microwaved the mashed potatoes. I made the gravy. Ruined my homemade gravy. I'm so sad. Oh, I'm so sad about that. And then this chicken, I just threw it in the oven with the barbecue sauce and honey just so it can be the way I like it. Comment down below, what is your favorite meal to make for your family when you don't feel like cooking, and how you like this video. If you did, you know what to do. You know what to do. Go ahead and hit her like you like. Hey, hit her like you like. Hit her like you like. For your girl. Thanks for watching. Hit her like you like. Hit her like you like. For your girl. You like my pictures. Hit her like you like. You like my videos. Hit her like you like. You ain't no hater. Hit her like you like. You getting paper. Hit her like you like. Go like. Let's go. Like to the 4. 1 like, 2 like, 3 like, 4. Hit her like you like soon as you see my videos. You know your girl funny, yeah, you know your girl dope. If you really like me, why wouldn't you hit it, yo? L to the I-K-E-Y, bae. Hit her like you like and send that love my way. L to the I-K-E-Y, bae. Hit her like you like and send that love my way. Like. Let's go. Follow. Like. Hit her like. Hit her like you like. For your girl, go. Slide with a like. Rock with a like. To the left, to the right. Go like. Australia better like. US better like. UK hit her like. Hit her like you like. Hit her like. For your girl. Take it back to the like. From the left to the right. Go like. Scotland better like. Hit her like. Go left to the right. Go like. Africa go like. Worldwide go like. I hope y'all like this sound. Yeah, that's right. Hit her like you like. For your girl. Thanks for juking. Bye.